Hi boys and girls. So today we're going to be creating our own line rockets with shapes and different kinds of lines. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our black marker and we're going to make a triangle up at the top of our paper for the cone. And a triangle just means it has three sides. So you're just going to go down, across, and then you're going to come back to that first line that you made so that it makes a three-sided shape. There's our triangle. Now we need a rectangle for the body of the rocket. So we're just going to go down, across, and back up again. Okay. Now our rocket needs a window, so we're going to make, and I'm going to try to make mine big enough so that you can see me in there when I draw myself later. Okay, I'm not going to draw myself right now. I'm just going to leave that open so I can do it later. All right, now our rocket needs some fins, and to make the fins we're going to start on the side of our rocket and we're going to curve down like a rainbow, and then we're going to curve back up like that. Then we're going to go to the other side of our rocket and we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to curve down like a rainbow and back up. So here we go. Start on the side, curve down like a rainbow, stop, and then curve back up. Okay. Now we want our rocket to have some smoke coming out, okay? So we're going to do a scalloped line, which means we're just going to kind of make the letter U over and over and over, okay? So I'm going to start on the corner here, and I'm going to come down and up like a U, and then I'm going to do another U, and another U, and another U, and I'm going to connect back to that corner. There's my smoke. Now it's time to turn my paper because I'm going to make the flames coming out of my rocket, but I want to use different kinds of lines. So I could use loopy lines, I could use scalloped lines, I could use dashed lines, zigzags, dots, even wavy lines. And it doesn't matter what order you do these in. I think I'm going to start this one with a zigzag line. So I'm going to go zig, zag, zig, all the way down to the corner, and I want to go all the way to the edge of my paper. So keep zigging or zagging or whatever line you're doing all the way to the edge of the paper. Okay, now I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a straight line. That's an easy one, right? Straight to the edge. Okay, my line got a little bit thin. I'm going to go over it again. All right, now I think I need a wavy line. So I'm just going to curve up and then curve down. Each time I curve a different direction, it makes a little wave in my line, doesn't it? It makes it a little wavy. Oh, I'm ready for a curly line or a loopy line. Loopy lines just mean you're going to go down and loop around, and then come down and loop around, down and loop around, and I'm just keeping on doing that, down and loop around until I go right off the paper. And let's see, I need a dashed line. Dashed line is kind of like a broken line, just like a dash, and then you lift up, dash, 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 all the way to the edge of the paper. I think the only thing I'm missing now is my dotted line. And I have a little bit of space in here. I think instead of going wider, I'm going to do a dotted line right down that space right there. So I'm going to go dot, 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 dot. Each time I'm making the dot, I'm making it kind of close. I don't want it to touch, but I want it to look like a line, so I don't want them too far apart. Okay, now we need a moon. So I'm going to turn my paper back around. And I'm going to make my moon kind of big right here in the corner. I want a nice big moon. And moons have craters, so I'm going to put some circles in here. Anywhere you think they'd look good, put a circle. And then the last thing before we add some color is to draw our face in the window, right? So I'm just going to draw my hair. I have long hair. And let's see, my face is an oval, but I think I'll just do my chin because my hair kind of comes over the top. and my neck, and shoulders, and let's see, eyes, and my I'm happy, I'm having fun up here, and a nose. It's kind of hard with the marker to do details, so I'm just going to do like this, like make it where my eyes and nose would be. Okay. Now we're ready to put our marker away, our black marker. We're done with our black marker. We're ready to go into the colored markers. Okay, I'm going to pause right now and let everybody have a chance to finish their drawing, and then we will get out the colored markers.